Hi, today we read the third part of The Adventure of Tom Sawyer, which name is Hard Work. On Saturday morning, Tom appeared outside his house. He was carrying a bucket of paint and a brush with a long handle. He looked at the fence and took a deep breath. The fence was 30 yards long and 9 feet high. His punishment was to paint it. It seemed to him that there was no joy in the world. He sighed as he dipped his brush in the paint and passed it along the top board. He did it again and then stood back. He looked at the tiny piece he had painted and then at the rest of the fence still to be done. It was too much. Just then Jim came running out of the house carrying a bucket. Jim was a small boy who worked for Aunt Polly. He was going to town well to get water. Tom had always hated that job, but now it seemed to him the best job in the world. There were always boys and girls at the well, waiting for their turn. Tom remembered that it always took Jim an hour or more to go and get the water. Jim, he called, I go and get the water if you will paint some fence for me. Jim shook his head. Can't do that. Tom, your aunt would beat me if she found out. She would beat you, Jim. She never beats anybody. She talk an awful lot, but talk doesn't hurt. I give you a marble if you do it. Tom showed him the little bowl of colored glass. Jim began to look interested. It's white one, Jim. White marble were hard to get. Jim put down his bucket and took the marble. But in another minute, the scene changed. Jim was running down the road with his bucket and a sore bottom. Tom was painted very hard, and Aunt Polly was going back into the house, was a slipper in her hand. Tom's new interest in painting did not last for long. He began to think of the fun he had planned for this day, and he felt worse than ever. Soon the other boys would come along, and their vented would laugh at him for having to work. The thought of that burned him like fire. Suddenly he had a wonderful idea. He took up his brush and started to work. Ben Rogers came along the road, eating an apple. He stopped to watch. Tom went on painting. He paid no attention to Ben. He paid no attention to Ben. He stood back to look at his work as an artist might look at a beautiful painting. Then he painted the top of the next board and stood back to look at it again. Ben came and stood beside him. Tom's mouth watered for the apple, but he kept on working. Hello, said Ben at last. Have you go to work? Oh, it's you, Ben. I didn't see you here, replied Tom. I am going swimming. Don't you wish you could? But of course you'd rather work. Would you? What do you call work? Answered Tom, looking at him. Isn't that work? Tom continued his painting and answered, carelessly. Well prepares it is, and perhaps isn't all I know is it is all right for Tom Sawyer. You don't mean to say you like doing it. The bush continued to move like it. Well, I don't see why I shouldn't like it. Does a boy get a chance to paint a fence every day? Ben stopped eating his apple. Tom moved his brush along the fence. He stepped back, then added a bit more paint and here and there. Ben was watching every move. He was getting more and more interested. Then he said, Tom, let me paint a little.